This street is busier than Piccadilly fucking Circus. You wouldn't believe the amount of times I've recorded this fucking little intro here. As you can see, I've already started. The entire video for the bumper removal will be up hopefully on Thursday or Friday next week. I've lost the screw head. Hello, welcome back to Carbore, and this is just a short video just to say that the new series, the season or the new run of videos for the Project Fox Repair will be going up onto YouTube starting Thursday or Friday next week. That's basically all I've got to say today. As you can see, Scarlet's bumper has already been removed. That will be the first video starting us off. And I can't get this fucking thing out of the... See you on Thursday or Friday, depends how quickly I get it edited. You don't need to see this bit, just look away. Ah! Worth subscribing for.